এই করোনা মহামারীর মাঝেও হাইকোর্ট অফ ত্রিপুরা বেকার যুবক যুবতীদের জন্য নিয়ে এসেছে বিশেষ চাকরির সুযোগ। টোটাল পোস্ট 13, জুনিয়র অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট। অনলাইন ফর্ম ফিল আপ চলছে। লাস্ট ডেট 12/10/2020, লেটেস্ট বাই 4 PM। এনি গ্র্যাজুয়েট অ্যাপ্লাই করতে পারবে অনলাইনে। তো আজকের এই ভিডিওতে কিভাবে অনলাইন ফর্ম ফিল আপ করতে হবে এবং কোথায় গিয়ে করতে হবে সেই বিষয়টুকু আমরা দেখব। যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে অবশ্যই লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন প্লিজ। For recruitment to the post of Junior Administrative Assistant, online application are invited from bona fide citizens of India who are not below 18 years of age and not more than 40 years in case of others and 45 years in case of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes as on 1/1/2020. For filling up of the following 13 posts of Junior Administrative Assistant in the establishment of the High Court of Tripura. টোটাল পোস্ট 13টি আছে। আর এজ হতে হবে 1/1/2020-তে SC STদের জন্য 45 ইয়ার্স এবং আদার ক্যাটাগরিসের জন্য 40 ইয়ার্স। ক্যাটাগরি অফ পোস্ট গ্রুপ সি নন গেজেটেড। নেম অফ দ্য পোস্ট জুনিয়র অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট। নাম্বার অফ ভ্যাকেন্সিস 8 in the regular scale of pay and 5 on fixed pay basis. Regular pay entry payment will be 21,400 per month in the pay matrix level 7 of TSCS revised pay. First Amendment rules 2018 plus admissible allowances subject to revision of the government from time to time. And for fixed pay they will get 16,050 rupees per month against the entry pay in the pay matrix level 7 of TSCS revised pay. First Amendment rules 2018 subject to revision by the government from time to time. Out of 13 posts, 9 posts are meant for UR category, 3 posts are reserved for scheduled tribes and 1 post in reserved for scheduled caste. If no suitable candidates are reserved categories is found available, the post will be filled up by the candidates other than those of scheduled tribes and scheduled caste as per Rule 8 of High Court of Tripura Service. Appointments, Condition of Service and Conduct Rules 2014 as amended. The number of posts to be filled up is subject to increase or decrease as per requirement of the High Court of Tripura, and selected panel of candidates will remain valid for 1 year from the date of its publication. A candidate must be a citizen of India as defined in Article 5 and 6 of the Constitution of India and must be a graduate from any recognized university and have certificate course in computer, word processing or equivalent with typing speed of 40 words per minute. ST/SC candidates of other states should apply for the post as general candidate along with application fees prescribed for candidates of general category. The application fee for unreserved category applicant is rupees 300 and that of reserved category SC/ST applicant is 150. Fees once deposited will not be refunded or adjusted for any other recruitment in future. Candidates are to deposit fees by using credit card, net banking, wallets and cash cards and UPI only. No other mode of payment will be accepted. Bank charge may apply. The candidate shall have to appear in the written screening test of MCQ paper of 100 questions relating to English grammar, general knowledge, aptitude, reasoning, etc. of the value of half marks each, that is 50 marks in total. Unreserved category candidates who obtain 60% or more marks and the candidates belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes who obtain 50% or more marks in the written screening test shall be eligible for appearing in the typing test on computer comprising of 25 marks and written test English of 25 marks wherein the comprehension, writing ability and translation from Bengali to English shall be tested. Disqualification for appointment. No person shall be eligible for appointment to the service unless he is a citizen of India or if he has been dismissed from service by the government, central government, high court, statutory or local authority, or if he has been convicted of an offense involving moral turpitude, if he has more than one spouse living, or if he directly or indirectly online application portal will be available on the High Court's website https://tsc.nic.in. The latest date 12/10/2020 up to 4 p.m. This will be available in High Court portal, High Court of Tripura portal, and there will be a recruitment. Candidates should avoid submitting multiple application. The application with the registration number shall only be entertained by the High Court. Graduates who score pass marks or more in the written screening test be asked for scrutiny of original mark sheets, certificates, documents. If the candidates failing the criteria of her the candidate already in government service shall apply either their proportional or attached non-objection certificate from his or her employer. Online application status. First you have to register. Before registering you have to go how to apply section. There you will get the procedure how to apply, and I read all the steps, necessary steps before filing up your application. So please read all the categories that is instructed in the how to apply section. Here some tips are given to identify the image, how you will place your image in the application. The criteria has been given. If this criteria is not fulfilled, then the application, the photo will be rejected. So please follow the instructions given in the website how to apply section.